right? In Costa Rica, vegetative windbreaks and fence rows. Yes or not? Vegetative windbreaks along the vegetation. There is an, I said that windbreak trees are there, and fencing the rows. Fencing the rows means also मैंने फेंस का मतलब आउटर एरिया पे व्हाट इट इज, फेंस मीन्स आउटर एरिया पे, रोज में हमने ट्री लगा दिया, फेंसिंग द रोज आल्सो. यस नॉट? जैसे ऑन द रूफ टॉप, आपको घर के ऊपर रूफ टॉप पे भी फेंस लगा रहता है ना ऐसा, तो फेंस मीन्स समथिंग इज देयर. यस नॉट? इन द रोज, फेंस रोज. आई सेड बूस्टेड फार्मर्स इनकम फ्रॉम पैस्चर एंड कॉफी. दो चीजों से, पैस्चर एंड कॉफी, while also increasing bird diversity. वहां पर जब सब कुछ है, that is he is doing in a pasture and coffee, the trees are there, he has utilized windbreaks, fence rows, the bird diversity. Not only he has been able to get income from pasture and what I said that coffee, he has been able to get the income from what? मैं इनकम नहीं बोल रहा हूं, लेकिन ये जो बोल रहा है बर्ड की डाइवर्सिटी बढ़ गई, बर्ड बायो डाइवर्सिटी. Full stop. Bee pollination. Pollination समझते होंगे आप लोग. All of you know that it is an, I said that sexual intercourse means when the, I said that in on the, if it is sitting on a particular flower and then it is, I said that taking the, what I said that sperm from here and then it is sitting somewhere, then egg and fertilization, that is known as, I said that the birds, butterfly, sorry, small insects and then bees and all are helping in what? This kind of fertilization is known as pollination. I said bee pollination is more effective when agriculture fields are closer to natural and semi-natural habitat. Understood it? Closer to natural. Natural habitat का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of natural habitat? Habitat means, I said that where do you live? आपका actual address. तो जितने भी animals हैं उसको वहीं पे रहें, जितने भी फ्लावर्स हैं, जितने भी वॉट एवर इट इज ग्रोइंग. एंड बी पॉलिनेशन के लिए बोला गया कि इट इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू मेक इट व्हाट आर्टिफिशियल, मेक इट नेचुरल और सेमी नेचुरल. थोड़ा सा आप आर्टिफिशियल ऐड करें बट मोर ऑफ नेचुरल. यस और नॉट? क्योंकि पॉलिनेशन के लिए नेचर से ही तो कुछ लेकर आएगा. सो बीज कैन ब्रिंग दैट, आई सेड दैट समथिंग नेक्टार, समथिंग, आई सेड दैट इज फ्रॉम द व्हाट? फ्लावर्स. So bee pollination is more effective when agriculture fields are closer to the natural and semi-natural habitat. A finding that matters because 87% of the world's, the total 87%, world's 107 leading crop depending on animals pollinators. Yes or not? World's 107 leading crops डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट? एनिमल के साथ उनका क्या कराया गया है? पॉलिनेटर्स. अंडरस्टूड इट? अगेन आई सेड, हमने क्या बोला? बी पॉलिनेशन इज मोर इफेक्टिव व्हेन एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड्स आर क्लोजर टू द नेचुरल एंड सेमी नेचुरल हैबिटेट. ए फाइंडिंग दैट मैटर्स बिकॉज 87% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स 107 लीडिंग क्रॉप्स डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट? जितने भी क्रॉप्स हैं दैट इज पॉलिनेटेड. यस, 100 लीडिंग क्रॉप्स डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट? Animal pollinators. Is this line is clear? Bee pollination and then animal is important. 87, most of them, all nahi, all, most of the percentage of the world, 87%. And in Costa Rica, or 87% is equals to what? 107 leading crops. 87% is equals to what? 107 ka 87%. In Costa Rica, Nicaragua and Colombia, silvopastoral system. Which system? Forest and pasture system that integrate trees with pasture. Trees and pasture. Silvopasture का मतलब यही होता है. System that integrate trees with pasture are improving the sustainability of cattle production. Cattle production कब होगा? Yes, tell me when the cattle production will be good. Yes, when there is enough forest plus pasture. Both are involved. Yes or not? Silvopasture. And improving the sustainability of cattle production and diversifying and increasing farmers income. और इससे क्या हो जाएगा? आप केवल पैस्चर करें, वहां पे एग्रीकल्चर नहीं डालें, वहां पे क्या हो उस लैंड में? पैस्चर, यस, ग्रासेस हो एंड ट्रीज. वहां पे बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ, आई सेड दैट, growth of animals and at the same time diversify and it will help in the farmers income. The last time that I am reading a landscape, समझ में आ गया lands को कैसे कैसे different way में divide करना है. Is it okay? And the different parts of the world is doing. India is also doing. लैंडस्केप स्केल अप्रोच टू लैंड यूज, हमें कैसे लैंड को यूज करना है, कितना लैंड कैनाल्स को जाए, कितना लैंड रोड्स को जाए, कितना लैंड एग्रीकल्चर को जाए, और जितना हम लोग नेचुरल रखेंगे दैट मच विल बी सेफ. A landscape scale approach to the land use can encourage greater biodiversity outside protected area. During Hurricane Mitch in 1998, farms using eco-agricultural practices suffered 58%, 70%, 99% less damage in Honduras. Do you understand what is the meaning of this? He want to say to get observation better. If I am doing generally 58%, 70%, 99% कहने का मतलब होता है हम लोग देखेंगे ये डैमेज कर रहा है, लेकिन लास्ट वर्ड में बोलता है लेस डैमेज. In Honduras, Nicaragua and Guatemala respectively, than those who are doing conventional techniques of agriculture. In Costa Rica, vegetative windbreaks and fence rows boosted farmers' income from pasture. Yes or not? From pasture and coffee. Vegetative windbreaks, हम लोगों ने trees का windbreaks लगा दिया and fence rows. ने किसको बढ़ाया? Pasture. Sorry, I said that pasture and coffee, and at the same time increasing which I said bird diversity. Another I said that bee pollination is more effective when agriculture fields are closer to which natural and semi-natural condition habitat. A finding that I said matters about 87% of the world's 107 leading crops depend on animal pollinators. और उससे हम लोगों ने pollination, bee pollination के साथ हम लोगों ने animal pollinators की बात करी कि हमारे यहाँ जितने भी leading crops हैं ये produced through the what? Animal pollinators. In Costa Rica, Nicaragua and Colombia, silvopastoral system integrate trees with the pasture land and improving the sustainability of the cattle production. Yes, the pasture land में improving the cattle production. Yes, and diversifying and increasing farmers' income. So now, which of the following is most, I said, logical and rational inference that can be made from the above passages? And first it is agriculture practices that enhance biodiversity, that enhance, इसका मतलब ecological. Agriculture practices that enhance biodiversity can often increase farm output and reduces vulnerability to disasters. Hurricane is a disaster, no? Hurricane is what? Understood? That statement looks correct. Yes or not? That statement looks correct. All the countries of the world should be encouraged to replace eco-agriculture with the conventional agriculture. ये कहाँ बोल रहा है all the countries? अरे some countries को देखकर बोल रहा है कि that is good. He is saying that it is good technique. Eco-agriculture is a good technique, but not for all the countries it is. तो all जैसे ही word आया तो आपकी आंखें क्या हो जाए, दिमाग खड़ा हो जाए. Eco-agriculture should be permitted in ये तो ऐसे ही outside of the protected area without destroying the biodiversity there. So this is wrong. The yield of food crops will be very high if eco-agricultural practices are adopted to cultivate them. तो ये कहाँ पे मेंशन किया कि yield will be very high? Yes, eco-agriculture के लिए ये बताया था कि वहाँ पर क्या हो गया था? Yes, tell me. उससे उसको बच गया था. Yes or not? Hurricane वगैरह. Getting my point? Hurricane वगैरह से बच गया था. Understood it? Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Eco-agriculture, vegetative. हमने जब vegetative wind breaks और ये डाला, क्या डाला? Fence and then उस समय थोड़ा सा farm, bird diversity increased. But eco-agriculture ने ये नहीं बोला, it has not mentioned that it is happening like this. Yes or not? So the yield of food crops will be very high if eco-agriculture practices are to be adopted, cultivate them. लेकिन हमारा को शायद ये याद हो चुका है. Yes or not? Perhaps you are able to understand those 6 points. उसके basis पे आप निकाल पा रहे हैं. तो option A is correct. Yes or not? Option A is. समझ में आ गया how to identify? Yes. So आपको करना क्या है? So there are 15 passages are there. and you have to come tomorrow after completing. At least I said that 7 complete करके आएंगे, and rest 5 पर we will work tomorrow. Understood it? Is it okay? And then यदि work